Chiropractic was actually founded in 1895 by a man named D.D. Palmer. So what happened there is he adjusted a man named Harvey Lillard who actually just lost his hearing. D.D. Palmer adjusted Harvey's C1, or his atlas, and his hearing was restored, thus initiating the foundation of chiropractic and starting the first chiropractic school in 1897. Chiropractic has been known to help all kinds of conditions like headaches, migraines, indigestion, sciatica, low back pain, even anxiety, a lot of conditions, so many more to come. If you feel chiropractic is right for you, come on down to Lau Chiropractic, where we'll help restore your bodies to its optimum health, where we'll help you feel better, get better, and stay better. I'm Dr. Paulson. I'll see you soon.